Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up Hey Google in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and now you want to enable Hey Google in your phone, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your Google app and here just tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, go for settings and here select Google Assistant. From here just look for voice match, tap on it. Then enable Hey Google, just tap on it and here just select more, then select I agree and then select more, then I agree. From here you just have to tap on next. Just wait for it what's it going to say. Here just tap on not now. You can see Hey Google has been enabled. Now go back and say Hey Google to enable Hey Google in your phone. So let's try this. Hey Google. So you can see Hey Google has been enabled, but if it doesn't enable, you must have to install a third-party app, which is Google Assistant. Just look for it. It's Google Assistant. Just search for it, then install it. So it will help you to use Hey Google in your phone. Here select Hey Google and switch. Then tap on Open to open Hey Google. Here you must have to tap on Get Started, then select Next, then Next, and you can see Hey Google has been enabled. Now you just have to say Hey Google to enable Hey Google in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.